Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a LEGO review of LEGO City Light Repair Tracks set 60054 from 2014 to 2015. And you get one minifigure in this set. And you can take the roof off so you can take the minifigure out. And also this crane can lift up so that the minifigure can repair the street lights, and also you get these safety cones, and also this beautiful traffic light with the street light on top. And this would make a nice addition to your LEGO City for a more realistic theme to repair your street lights. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos if toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships. My email is in a link in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.